Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Akasha bin Muhammad Nizam. I am excited to apply for the position of Dinia teacher at Rauda Islamic School. My background education is I have a diploma in Islamic education from USAS, and I am currently hold a bachelor in Islamic education at USIM. I previously worked at Ma'had Tafiz Al-Falah. During my time teaching at Ma'had Tafiz Al-Falah, I get students in Quran, memorization, tajweed, and moral teaching. I focus on interactive, creative, and child-friendly method to make learning enjoyable and effective. This experience helped me develop a lot of skills as a Dinia teacher, such as classroom management, discipline, communication, interpersonal skill, lesson planning, and technology skill, including use of Microsoft Excel and Google Classroom. I strongly believe that Dinia education lays the foundation for strong character and faith. If given the opportunity, I aim to instill positive value in students and help them grow not only academically but also spiritually. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope to be part of the teaching team at Rauda Islamic School. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.